Let f be the function given by f of x is equal to x plus 2 cubed. What is the approximation for f of negative 1.1 found by using line tangent to the graph of f at x equal negative 1? So if we visualize this function, x is here, y is here, and let's say this is f of x. If this is negative 1, we have to use this tangent line to approximate f of negative 1.1. So if this is negative 1.1, this value right here, the point on the y curve, f of x, that is equal to f of negative 1.1. That's the exact value, function value. But we're going to use this tangent line at x equal negative 1 to approximate this function value. So we're going to eventually find this point right here, the point on the tangent line when x is equal to negative 1.1. Does that make sense? So first thing we have to do is we have to find the equation of the tangent line. Let's say the tangent line is a linear function L of x, and this tangent line passes through this point, negative 1 comma f of negative 1. F of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 2 square, cube. That is equal to 1, right? So that is negative 1 comma 1. And slope of this tangent line, slope is f prime of x, that is equal to 3 times x plus 2 squared. And at x equal negative 1, the slope is 3 times negative 1 plus 2 squared, that is equal to 3. So the equation of tangent line is, using point slope form, y minus y1 is 1, right? Is equal to slope 3, x minus x1. Since x1 is negative 1, we have a plus 1 here. So y is equal to 3 times x plus 1 plus 1. And at x equal negative 1.1, the value of y is equal to 3 times negative 0.1 plus 3. I'm sorry, that's 1. So this is equal to negative 0.3 plus 1, that's 0.7. That is equal to L of negative 1.1. And this is approximation for f of negative 1.1. So the answer is 0.7.